What's up? In this lesson, I'll be showing you in fast motion how to create a betta fish. So, I'll use the shape and the characteristics of this fish to create my illustration. Betta fishes are quite aggressive, so that's why I'm going to reflect it on the image. Once I've drawn the sketch, I'll be coloring it with a base color basing myself on the picture. After that, I'm going to add lights and shadows to enhance the illustration. Here you can see the effects created in the hair using different colors. Is it great, right? Now I'm adding light effects. And this is basically what we've learned throughout the course. In the next lesson, I'll show you the illustration in speed paint of a seahorse, where I've added particular features. But you'll see. So guys, that's been all. There isn't much I can say. Only thank you very much for enrolling on this course, and I can wait to see your projects. Again, if you have any doubt, just ask me. Thank you a lot and see you in the following lesson.